We will learn about the polar pattern or pickup pattern of the microphone. This is a bit technical thing, but we do not need to get into much technical level to make the most out of it. Each microphone has a strong side. The polar pattern indicates which side is strong and you should talk into that side during the recording. If you talk into the wrong side of the microphone, you will not get as good sound as you should. The microphone you see on the screen is a Sennheiser E845. It is a dynamic microphone. The polar pattern of this microphone is supercardioid. Supercardioid means it has a narrow pickup pattern in front of the microphone. From this type of microphone, it is easy to identify which is the strong side of the microphone. I will show you a side-addressed microphone a bit later where the strong side is not so obvious. Because it is a top-addressed microphone, you should talk in front of this area during recording. I will now show you a live demo of talking into this microphone. You will notice the volume level will decrease when I move from the strong side to the other side.
Hi, I am talking into the strong side of the microphone. This is the strong side and you can see that I am talking into the microphone. So even if I move away my head, still the sound quality is pretty much the same. However, the frequency response of the microphone will change and the way you talk to the microphone. If you talk directly to the microphone, then some of the frequencies will get captured more, and if you talk sideways, then other frequencies may be captured by the microphone more. But that is not the main point of this strong side of the microphone. This microphone obviously has this side as a strong, and if I move away, I am in the same distance, but I am just talking from the side of this microphone, and you will see a drastic change in the volume level. Even if I just go in the side of the microphone or behind, if I talk from the behind the microphone, then you will see that the volume level is getting pretty low. So
I hope you got an idea of how talking from the strong side and the other side has a significant difference. I will now show another microphone, Samson C01U Pro USB. It is a side-addressed microphone. Unlike the previous microphone, it is not obvious which is the strong side. Although it has an indicator to denote the strong side, and most side-addressed microphones have some kind of clue. This microphone also has a supercardioid pickup pattern. You may have a microphone with a cardioid pattern. The difference between cardioid and supercardioid is that the supercardioid has some pickup pattern from behind the microphone. It is very small, but it still can pick something from behind the mic. The cardioid microphone has a pickup pattern only from the front side. This Samson mic has an indicator light on the front side of the microphone. It is easy to understand which side we should talk. I will now show you a demo.
So I should talk in this side of the microphone, and if I talk in the wrong side of the microphone, then it will have a pretty different volume level in the sound. Also the tone of the sound will be very much different. I'll just slowly move the microphone, and now I'm not sure if you can see that on the screen, that the light is now facing on the screen. So I'm talking kind of from the behind the microphone, and obviously you will notice a very change in the volume level when I am talking from this side of the microphone. So this is the strong side, and I should always talk from this side. And if I can talk into this way, or I can talk in this way, or I can place it this and talk in this way, like 45-degree angle. So that actually depends on the plosives or how much mouth noise the microphone is capturing, and I will get into those parts later in this course.
I think you now get an idea about the strong side of the microphones. It is important to know this because it is not uncommon to record on the wrong side of the microphone. I got this issue from some of my previous students. If you have any confusion over this, send me an email with your microphone model. The best way to check is by talking on different sides and then listening to detect the strong side. The video you just watched is from my Audacity 3.6 course for beginners. You can take part in the course from the Patreon link. You will find links in the video description and pinned comments. If you want to take your Audacity skill to a professional level, take this course.